kind of is off doing his own thing.
And Marina is purple.
Purple over there.
Hi, Rock.
Says I like you
Look
already.
at you. Look at you.
Come here,
Do you want to be
Rock.
my little boy? Yeah, you all want to be my little boys. Look
Oh,
at
there's
you.
Marina too.
Marina's got to get in on it. Come on, sweetie. Where are you?
I'll get them out.
Oh.
I can still squeeze through there somehow.
Rock doesn't like to share.
No.
Unless it's Marina.
Rock loves to cuddle though.
He loves,
I'll get my stuff in my pockets or I'll set it down.
loves attention.
Hello, Bubby. Hello. There's your daddy. Look at that. Look at you.
These have been the best pups we've ever had.
Oh my
as far as
gosh.
Training.
Real responsive, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we got the indoor kennel in the living room, and now they, right after eating, they come right out and go to the bathroom outside on the lawn.
And they're 5 weeks today.
Here, I'll let you manage this for a little bit.
No bite. No bite. Good girl. Good girl.
He
She
is
says,
the nicest little pup. Oh,
He's a sweet little guy.
Oh,
Well,
God.
I liked his interactions too on the video clips that you shared. You smell my cologne, huh? You're saying,
Look at
hey,
my
no,
butt.
combination of
No bite. No
outdoors and maybe buffalo or something. What do you smell like there, buddy? Oh, you got my collar? You got my collar?
bite. Hi, princess. Hi. Oh, you're
Wow.
so cute.
Thank you for the kisses.
You're
Right
so
to you.
sweet.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, a little nibble too. What do I taste like? What do I taste like?
I like nubbles, huh? Yes. Oh, I know.
Yes, yes, yes.
But, you know, we play all the sounds. Like if you go in the house now, it's thunderstorms still.
Oh, sure.
Have you done any gunfire?
I don't-
Gunfire.
We have
They
not.
hear it because hunters out back.
We
and-
had
and so on.
fireworks last
But
night out back too.
They aren't phased by anything.
And
Nice.
if they are, they recover quickly. It's like a
Oh, look at
and then they
you.
recover.
You're going to snuggle.
I mean, you know, we got the, the Echo or the
Yeah.
Alexa. We
This
have Alexa play thunderstorms, while they're sleeping, while they're eating.
and you're Dee Dee, right?
Deersey, yeah.
Deersey.
Dee's fine.
Dee is fine, okay. Well, y'all, this is Dee and Bill, our friends, and they are puppy aficionados. This is Rock, who I think is going to be renamed Hank.
Hank?
Hank, and Marina is somewhere around.
Right here?
That's Marina right there. And Marina is going to be called Maya.
Maya,
We
we
have
have
a
a Maya.
That's what Susie said. Yeah,
Hank and Maya.
Hank and Maya.
And they
Well,
were
this-
born
time
on
we
the
had a
same
litter,
day you got
we named
married.
them
That's so
After
cool.
some kind of group or something in common, like this time it was anything to do with the lake where our boat is. Rock was actually because our boat is at Rockingham Marina. And Marina, of course, our boat's in a marina.
Wow,
and dock.
Rock. You just
That's what we
look
do when we
so
go to eat.
comfy.
We dock. And Avalon is the name of a boat maker. And of course, tugboat.
There you go.
They are adorable.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're the prettiest pups.
Welcome to our home. That's all ours.
All the way to the back. That's beautiful.
Yeah, and
And
beyond a
into-
little bit.
Now, is that just the sun hitting your tail lights, or are your lights on
It
your?
was just the sun.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't want you to run out of juice.
Oh, that beautiful girl.
We have a little over 5
Looks
acres.
like he's fallen asleep. He's like, yeah, I'm comfy.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna let Dee
Whoop.
take the baby back, and I'll take Marina. And this is Marina. This is gonna be Maya, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that face. Oh my gosh. We've decided we'd like to keep them on.
Yes. They're so.
We love them. They're such awesome pups, all of them.
I try when we put them to bed, time to go night night. Within seconds, they're all quiet. We hear them
They sleep all night.
maybe once during the night.
Hi, sweetie.
But it's lights
Hi.
out by 8 o'clock, and
What
you know
did I
we're up
put in your
about
face,
4:30, and we
Look
don't
at
hear them
you.
now like the last few nights. Nothing.
Beautiful black eyes.
Like mama.
You show the area, Susie, the chickens, just a beautiful setting on here for the pups, isn't it?
Can I trade you for the camera and the puppy?
Well, I was going to hand you the pup. You hand Dee the camera, and then I'll hand you your girl.
You just stay
Hi,
there.
sweetheart.
Okay, whoops, you got it? Watch your paw. Okay, thank you.
You're sneaking in. You're sneaking in.
Look at that face, huh?
She's gorgeous, isn't she?
She won't come home with us.
But I just
Yeah.
was telling my husband, I'm like, which ones would you choose? It's
I'd
like,
never
it's
really
hard.
like them.
Hard to let them go, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I get kind of sentimental about it.
Well, know that they'll have the best home ever.
Yeah, she does have the dark eyes, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Her mom does. Her mom has very dark eyes.
My last lab had black eyes. And the only way you can find them in a dark room is by the shine of their eye.
Look how content. Well, they're all pretty.
There's your little girl here. Look who's here. Is your little girl?
Yeah, they're buddies.
I would love to see the mom and dad as well.
Yep, no problem.
Absolutely.
We just
Yep.
wanted to have you have them.
Because once they
into-
come out, they're all about mom.
Oh, yes.
And some of them love dad too, so they want to follow daddy
Want
around.
me to let them out now?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's still open, so they
You want me to put
should-
your phone and stuff in the car, Susan?
Sure. Or I can walk over there.
Okay.
If you unlock it for me.
Jolene's very thin.
Will you unlock it for me?
Yes.
Can I walk that way with the puppy in my arms?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Take a look at our.
Sure.
Oh,
Inside.
our indoor
I'm just gonna
kennel.
open up the. It should be unlocked, Susie. Can you manage, hon? Yeah, she's got a. Oh, that's awesome. Holy mackerel! It's like the Humane Society, but
Watch out
nicer.
above your head, there's a cobweb. I just
okay.
noticed.
Very nice. Yeah, I've got a fairly good sized YouTube following, and they've been curious. We've told them that we're going to get puppies, so this will be fun to kind of share with them.
We've got well, that's the first litter we had in Tennessee.
Oh my gosh, look at that. And they're so varied, aren't they?
They're silver and charcoal.
That's spectacular.
And then these were, when we had the business, all our breeding dogs. None of them are the parents, so. Jolene was just a baby then.
Now you were running like a breeding service when these
Yes.
dogs were. Okay, I gotcha.
He's
When
from
our,
Poland.
When our daughter
She's
and
from
son-in-law were
Ukraine.
here.
That's amazing.
Now the two of these, Jolene's father is from the Czech Republic,
Yeah.
and Apollo's dad is from Serbia.
Susie's family is from Serbia originally.
Well, Puppy's they're half imports, really.
You still have Marina? Huh? You guys fit like peas and carrots. Look at you. What do you think of the name Maya? Could you adopt that?
That's my mom's name.
No.
Oh, that's right. No, her
My
aunt. Her aunt.
Aunt Maya, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun. Beautiful job on this too. Isn't that lovely? Lovely. Beautiful kennels. We're in Bell County, and we visited the Humane Society. It was kind of sad, just because they were so overpopulated with
Yeah.
dogs, and they tried to maintain the facilities well. And then we made a couple of donations to them to try to help. And but yeah,
We got the heat out here if we need it.
it's
you know.
so well kept and clean though.
Where am I? What are
Well
we
kept
doing?
and clean.
Over in that one, that's where we keep all our dog food, because we buy
Yeah,
it
beautiful
in bulk.
place, Bill.
Thank you. We love it. We really
I'm gonna
do.
go ahead
This
and
is home.
get down there and
Look
check
at-
them out, 'cause Apollo's a big guy.
Okay.
So Apollo probably weighs close to 90 pounds.
Apollo is extremely affectionate.
90.
And that is Rock,
She's
Yep.
very thin,
aka soon to be Hank. And he says, you know what, they put me down. I think I'll take a nap for a little bit. I think I'll take a nap for a little bit.
They're very chill. They really are.
Now, is this one going to New York?
Hi, sweetie.
Yes, the yellow
Look
one.
at you.
Going to New York?
Proud of
Look
her
at
baby.
you.
Hey, guys.
It's you beautiful.
Hi. Mom, it's Mom and Dad.
Get some good pictures of Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad. Hey.
Wow.
Turbo Tail.
Yes, she's very proud of her
Turbo
baby.
Tail. You beautiful babies. Beautiful
And
babies.
she's got the really dark eyes.
Hi,
Those are
sweetheart.
like
Hi.
brown.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hey.
Extremely friendly. They're very, very sweet.
Hey. And this is the female?
No,
This is the male, the big boy.
You
Yeah.
could tell because
That's what I figured.
her boobies like pulled out.
Oh,
and
okay.
She's thin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can
She's
see
been
now.
supporting babies.
I can
Yes.
see now.
She
Yeah.
eats like
Hi, sweetheart.
nonstop. She,
Hi.
So I got
You
the little
know.
one.
Beautiful mama.
You want to share
She's,
your stick with me?
She's been easy. We
Can I
got
have that?
her early.
Can I have that?
And she was
Can I
pretty
have
much housebroke at 7 weeks old. I mean, she would go to the door.
Most of my labs only took a week or two.
They don't take long at all.
No, they learn it quick.
And they're already learning, so we let them out and they go right to the door.
Hi, sweetie. Oh my goodness, Apollo, you're such a big boy.
He is a big boy.
Is Rock, aka Hank, and is he going to be like you?
See Mom
Going to be a big boy?
I want to see
Do
Mom and
not
Daddy.
climb on the lap. He thinks he's a lap dog.
Stop.
Look at you. I got the baby.
Apollo.
We got the
This
baby.
with
Apollo.
him, we can't let him out too much because he's he's
Real
very
dominant.
loyal, clingy,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
extreme.
Hi, sweetie.
He's like, but
There's
I
a
want
mama.
you.
There's
Be
a
good boy
mama.
now. You be a good boy.
Such beautiful puppies you
You be a
have.
good boy.
Hey, big guy. Yes, I see you.
You a good
He's
boy.
got something in his mouth.
Good boy. Look
Little
at
piece
you.
of corn shuck or hay or something, maybe.
Toy too.
You're gorgeous. Are you ever gorgeous? You take good care of your girl, don't you? Yeah, we saw pictures.
Oh
of
yeah.
that.
Of course, you know, once they get to about
Labs.
What's your name?
4 weeks,
Is it Jolene?
she's
Oh,
like,
is that your
okay, you can suck a little here and there, but that's it.
Yeah, she
So
shuts
they-
them down.
They've been eating since they've been about 3.5
To the
weeks,
mama.
Does that look like something to run off with? I better not set it down.
especially
I better not
him.
set it down. Apollo.
I pull him back in. Just-
He's being Apollo, right?
So
I'm being mean.
Apollo, we've only had him,
Too
what,
sweet.
not even a year. He was a full kennel dog,
sweetheart.
breeding dog.
I see. Oh, thank
And
you for
he's
that.
just the most
Hey,
loyal
Thank you.
pup
Can I
ever.
have the toy?
He loves keeping
Can I have the toy?
Yeah, think again.
So he went from a full
Can I
kennel
have it?
dog to a full house dog, because all our dogs stay in the house.
Hi, sweetheart.
And
Yeah, we're the same way.
we have 2 more labs in the house, and
We'll take you and the
Beautiful setting. Lovely.
baby. We could take you home and the baby.
she's sweet.
Now, what do you do with the back 40
okay,
there?
Apollo. Apollo.
Is that just for
That's our yard.
Look at him.
your yard?
Enjoy it. No.
You don't farm at all then?
Oh, I mow it constantly, you know.
He is an
As you can see, the
excellent dog.
patterns
He's
going
just
back and
plain.
forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a big
I
mower.
didn't think he'd frighten you. I
It's
just
like
don't
my
know.
father's place when Dad passed away. He
Yeah.
just had like 40 acres, and I had to just constantly just be cutting it. What are you gonna do this weekend? I'm gonna cut Dad's grass again.
Yeah. We had, like over there where the shed is, we did have goats, but we got rid of our goat a few weeks ago.
Nice,
He's like
sweetie.
me.
So we are no longer goat breeders.
Yeah.
Well, so
Hi,
these
sweetie.
puppies get goat milk twice a day. babies.
Hi. Hi.
And they have goat milk.
They're ready for their naps.
Yeah, there's Rock right there.
Jeez. Ooh, I guess.
I don't know if I'm tall enough to reach.
No,
No,
down in
I
there.
put them through this.
Yeah,
Window.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how
We
that
got-
works.
it's
We got a little
safer,
window.
Yes.
Mm.
And then I can
Little.
see the mama and the daddy. Then I can see the daddy and the mama. Yes.
Beautiful dogs.
We have one more dog that we will breed. I think she goes into heat end of
Aunt Maya.
January. Yeah,
Oh yeah,
Aunt
yeah.
Maya.
We saw her
Look at you guys.
in the video clip. She was fun.
Oh, she's
She was real patient too.
so she is from our import from Poland and Ukraine.
Okay.
That's the daughter to them.
You fly them in?
It's about $5,000 per dog.
Very pricey.
Oh yeah.
Are these the British labs?
No, these are more English labs.
English lab.
Yeah.
And that's why she's smaller, because she's an English lab.
Yep. If you seen her mom and dad, you would be like, wow, because they are beefy, big, black heads.
Now which one is this? The red one?
That is
Tug.
Tug,
That's Tug. That's right. The other little
Yeah.
boy.
and
Yeah.
then Avalon's pink collar.
That's
Yeah.
Avalon. And Rock. And this is the New Yorker.
Yes.
The New Yorker.
Yeah.
Gonna
Arlo.
go New Yorker.
What did we have his name as originally?
Boone.
Boone, that's right, because it's Boone Lake where we have our boat. But he is Arlo.
Well, it was not an easy decision, but the more we saw, the more we settled on Marina and Rock.
Well, that's why I was, trying to get you
Yeah.
as much info as possible, as
Thank
much
you. That's
interaction
been
as
wonderful.
possible, and
Thank you.
it just
Yeah.
helps make a decision. And but you're going to be the new parent, so you want to see the babies as much as possible.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Well, I'm going to end this premiere and just say Puppy Land. Yeah, special, special puppies. Well, thank you, Dee, and thank you also to Bill for your loving care of these little guys.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very special.
Would you like to go pick up some lunch and come back and eat with us? Or we in a hurry to get back?
Yeah, she likes
We're
to
not
go
necessarily in a
early.
hurry. All right, take care, everybody. God bless.